I've always preached, you know, if you got weeds and stuff out here you want to clear and you don't have your lawnmower or weed whacker, you left it at home, something like that. Take some corn and spread it around. Well, as y'all can see, the area has definitely been leveled by the hogs. But I'm gonna see about taking this a step further. We're going to the next level in the name of science for society. At the next level, you might ask, what is the next level? Well, you see this log down here? Well, it's a tree. It's not just a log. It was where the camera was. And yeah, it can be pushed out of the way fairly easy. But what I'm gonna do is, since my feeder was clogged up and I had to dump it, I'm gonna take that corn and I'm gonna try putting it along the base of this right here and see if I can't get the hogs to move that out of the way. I mean, hell, if we could use hogs as labor like this, I mean, they're already chopping down the weeds and clearing out stuff for us, but if we can get them to do stuff like this, I mean, that's like a double win. That's like, we use the pigs for labor and then we eat them for breakfast as bacon in the morning, or even pork chops and eggs. Yeah. So we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, that's kind of sick and demented. Maybe slightly, just a little bit, but we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. It's not gonna be caught on camera because it's off camera, but when we come back out here, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna see what happens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, again, continuing on with this little experiment from the Bohemian Hunting Club Research and Development Center. Smoky Oak did authorize the release of this information, and y'all are gonna be witnessing firsthand Operation Hog Dozer in effect. So stay tuned. Update on Hog Dozer, Operation Hog Dozer. As you see, we do have movement. Hog Dozer. Use them for labor, turn them into bacon. Looks like it's working. There we go.